Good morning, everyone. Now we discuss about the 2020 NEET question paper, biology questions answers. This is the tentative answers. Final answers decide only NTA. If the distance between consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pairs of a DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cells is 6.6 into 109 base pairs, then the length of the DNA is approximately 2.2 meters is the correct answer. Bilaterally symmetrical and acyclomate animals are exemplified by Platyhelminthes. Match the following columns. 1. Select the correct options. Column 1 and 2. Gregarious, polyphagus, pest, adult with radial symmetry and larva with bilateral symmetry, book lungs and bioluminescence. The correct option is option 1 is the correct options. Which is the important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids in eukaryotic cells, Golgi bodies? The QRS complex in a standard ECG represents depolarization of ventricles. Match the following columns and select the correct options. Column 1 and 2 is the floating ribs, acromion, scapula and glenoid cavity. Option 3 is the correct answer. Experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by Morgan. Identify the incorrect statement. Statement 2 is the incorrect statement. Sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in color. Normally, the sapwood is outermost layer. Here, it is the incorrect answer. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pancreas. The option 2 is correct answers. Match the organism with its use in biotechnology. Bacillus thuringiensis, Thermus aquaticus, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and Salmonella typhimurium. The option 1 is the correct answers. Example: Bacillus thuringiensis is the cryproteins, Thermus aquaticus is the DNA polymerase, Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the cloning vector, Salmonella typhimurium is construction of rDNA molecule. Identify the substance having the glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. Inulin and insulin. Option 3 is the correct. Name the enzyme that facilitates opening of DNA helix during the transcription. RNA polymerase. Option 3 is correct. If the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for a few days because the head holds a small proportion of your nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of the body is the correct answer. Select the correct events that occur during the inspiration. A. Contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external inner intercostal muscles, pulmonary volume decreases, intrapulmonary pressure is increases. The option 4 is the correct answer. A and B is the correct. A. Contraction of diaphragm. B is the contraction of external and intercostal muscles. By which method was a new breed, Lizardale, of sheep formed by using Picnari ewes and merino rams, crossbreeding? Which of the following is the most abundant protein in the animals? Collagen is the abundant protein in animals. How many true breeding pea plant varieties did Mendel select as pairs which were similar except in one character with contrasting traits? Option 2 is the correct. 14 is the answer. The body of the ovule is fused within the funicle at hilum portion. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the correct about viroids? First option 1 is the correct. They have free RNA without protein coat. The number of substrate level phosphorylation in one turn of citric acid cycle is option 1 is the correct answer. The products of reaction catalyzed by the nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants. Option 3, ammonia and hydrogen. Match the following disease with the causative organisms and select the correct options. Typhoid, pneumonia, filariasis and malaria. Option 1 is the correct answers. For example, typhoid caused by Salmonella, pneumonia caused by Haemophilus, filariasis caused by Wucheria, malaria caused by Plasmodium. From his experiments, Russell Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following in the closed flask: methane, hydrogen, ammonia, and water vapor at 800 degrees centigrade. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct? Here, the adenine pairs with thymine through the two hydrogen bonds is the correct. Match the following with respect to the meiosis: zygotin, pakitin, diplotin, diakinesis. Select the correct option from the following. Here, the option 1 is the correct answers. In zygotin, it may be synapsis, pakitin for crossing over, diplotin is the chiasmata formation, diakinase is the terminalization. Choose the correct pair from the following: polymerases, nucleases, exonucleases, ligases. Here, the correct pair: ligases joins the two DNA molecules. Select the option including all sexually transmitted disease: gonorrhea, syphilis, and genital herpes. Embryological support for the evolution was disapproved by Carl Ernst and von Baer. The roots that originate from the base of the stem are fibrous roots. In gel electrophoresis, separate DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of etherium bromide in UV radiation. Is the correct answer? Which of the following hormone levels will cause release of ovulation from the Graafian follicle? High concentration of estrogen is the correct answer. Goblet cells of alimentary canal are modified from the columnar epithelial cells. Snow blindness in Antarctic region is due to the option 1 inflammation of cornea due to high dose of ultraviolet B radiation. Match the following concerning the essential elements and their functions in the plants: iron, zinc, boron, and manganese. Photolysis of water, pollen germination, required for chlorophyll biosynthesis, IAA biosynthesis. Option 2 is the correct answer. Example: iron is related to the required for chlorophyll biosynthesis, zinc is required for IAA biosynthesis, and boron is pollen germination, manganese is photolysis of water. BT cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to insect pests. Rare florets are inferior ovary. Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987. Emission of ozone depleting substance. Identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. Wrong statement. The sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligases. The sticky ends can be joined by DNA ligases. The infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body is sporozoites. Meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed. Option 3 at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in photorespiration leads to the formation of one molecule of 3-carbon compound. Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? Option 3 is correct. B and C is the correct answer. B. In invertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. C. The central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Option 3 is correct answer. Match the following columns and select the correct options. Here, the Clostridium botulicum and Trichoderma polysporum, Monococcus purpureus, Aspergillus niger. Here, the option 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following pairs is a unicellular algae? Chlorella and Spirulina is the unicellular algae. Option 3 is the correct answer. In a light reaction, plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons from PS2 photosystem 2 to cytochrome B6 and F complex. Option 4 is correct answer. Presence of which of the following conditions in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? Ketonuria and glycosouria is correct answer. Option 2 is correct. Secondary metabolites such as nicotine, strychnine and caffeine are produced by plants for their option 2 defense mechanism. Which of the following would help in the prevention of diuresis? Option 1 reabsorption of sodium plus and water from the renal tubules due to the aldosterone. Select the correct match. Here the correct match: sickle cell anemia. It is a autosomal recessive trait, chromosome 11. Which of the following is not an attribute of population? Option 3 species interaction. Which of the following statement about inclusion bodies is incorrect? These are involved in ingestion of food particles. The transverse section of a plant shows the following anatomical features. Here, study the A, B, C, D. A large number of scattered vascular bundles surrounded by a bundle sheath. Large conspicuous parenchymatous ground tissue. Vascular bundles conjoined and closed. Option D, phloem parenchyma absent. Here, identify the category of plants and its part. Category of plants: A, monocotyledonous root, dicotyledonous stem, dicotyledonous root, and monocotyledonous stem is the correct answer. In relation to grass primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? Grass primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity is the correct answer. In water hyacinth and water lily, pollination takes place by option 4, insect or vane. Which of the following is put into the anaerobic sludge digester for the further sewage treatment? Option 3, activated sludge is the correct answer. The process responsible for the facilitating loss of water in liquid form from the tip of grass blades at the night and in early morning is root pressure is the correct answer. Cuboidal epithelium with brush border of the microvilli is found in option 2, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. Select the correct statement. Uh, Glucagon is associated with the hypoglycemia. Insulin acts as a pancreatic cells and adipocytes. Insulin is associated with the hyperglycemia. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Is the correct answer. Which of the following is not inhibitory substance governing seed dormancy? Gibberellic acid is the correct answer. According to Robert Mee, the global species diversity is about 7 million years. That is, option 3 is correct answer. Match the trophic levels with their correct species example in grassland ecosystem. A, fourth trophic level. B, second trophic level. C, first trophic level. D, third trophic level. These are based on the ecosystem. And the option 4 is the correct answers. The first phase of translation is aminosylation of tRNA. Strobilus or cones are found in ecosystem. The ecosystem called as hostile fern. It is a pteridophyte plant. Match the following columns and select the correct options. 6 to 15 pairs, heteroserial air bladder, poison sting. The option 4 is the correct answer. Some dividing cells exit the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage, G0 state. This process occurs at the end of M phase. Identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. Option 2 is the correct. The ileum is the highly coiled part. In which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? Option 4 is GIFT and IUT. The plant parts, which consists of two generations, one within the other. Pollen grains inside the anther, germinated pollen grain with two male gametes, seed inside the fruit, embryo sac inside the ovule. Option 3 is correct. A and D is the correct answer. Dissolution of the synaptonymal complex occurs during the diplotin stage. Match the following columns and select the correct options, column 1 and 2. Organ of Corti, cochlea, eustachian tube and stabs. Option 2 is the correct answer. The ovary is half inferior in plum. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Lysine is the basic amino acid. Match the following columns and select the correct options. Eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils and lymphocytes. Correct option 4 is the correct answer. Match the following. Inhibitor of catalytic activity, possess peptide bonds, cell wall material in fungi, secondary metabolites. Here option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase, gap 1 of the interphase. Option 2 is the correct answer. Cell is the metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on the sugarcane crop increases the length of the stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane. Gibberellin is the correct answer. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene I that controls ABO blood groups. Option 2 is correct answers. Gene IA and IB are present together. They express same type of sugars. Identify the wrong statement with the reference to immunity. Option 2 is correct answer. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. The enzyme enterokinase helps in conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin is the correct answer. The specific palindromic sequence which is recognized by ECOR1 is option 4 is correct answer. 5 primer GAA TT C 3 primer opposite to the 3 primer C TT AA G and 5 primer is the correct answer. Match the following columns and select the correct options. BT cotton, adenosine deaminase deficiency, RNA and PCR. Option 4 is the correct answers. Floridian starch has structures similar to the option 1 amylopectin and glycogen. Which of the following statement is not correct? The functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by hydrogen bonds. It's not correct. Flippers of penguins and dolphins are examples of convergent evolution is the correct answers. Which of the following refer to correct example of organisms which have evolved due to the changes in the environment brought about anthropogenic action? Darwin's finches of Galapagos Island, herbicide-resistant weeds, drug-resistant eukaryotes, man-created breeds of domesticated animals like dogs. Option 2 is correct answer. B, C and D. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the transport of oxygen. Wrong statement. Option 2 is correct answer. Higher H plus ion concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin is the wrong statement. The process of growth is maximum during log phase. Lag phase, steady phase. Log phase is the maximum growth. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibits the highest species diversity? Amazon forest is the highest species diversity is the correct answer. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed ORI site. Option 1 is the correct answer. Match the following columns and select the correct options. Placenta, zona pellucida, bulbourethral and Leydig cells. Option 3 is the correct answers. This is a tentative, is our basic idea of answers. Further final answers will be deciding only National Testing Authority is the agency is the correct answer. This is the idea. Thank you. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மேலும் thank you.